Nice little hotel for the night. Then tomorrow take the shuttle into Yellowstone. All right. Oh my God, I'm starving. I'm going to destroy this banh mi. I just looked out the window. Look at this. I didn't think I'd wake up to snow. Look at the tree. Wow, it's so peaceful out. It's like coming down. And I thought the 2-minute walk to the Walmart would have been just fine. I need more snow clothes. We secured a hoodie and now we're just waiting for the bus out here. I already met another worker and I think there's another worker over here. We're about to get on the bus. All right.
So, where are you going to be working this summer?
I'm going to be working in Old Faithful.
Old Faithful, cool. What are you going to be doing?
Driving.
Driving?
Yeah, tour guide,
you're one of our transportation folks.
Yeah,
That's
is that a good
You
thing?
work with a good bunch of people.
Oh, yay. Okay,
Yeah.
good to hear. Okay.
Yeah. Today is pretty much just getting settled in and relaxing.
Yeah, which is great. Yeah, I'm not ready for training or orientation just yet.
If not, you can go ahead through that door and they'll get you checked in.
Okay, all
Have a
right.
wonderful summer.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
thank you so much. All right, thank you. Ooh, that's so official.
Sticker for you.
Oh, it says I'm from Arizona.
Were you in Arizona?
I was there, but I was just like temporarily, but it's all right. Okay. All right, thank you.
How's it going?
I'm good. How about
I
you?
am rocking today.
All right.
Okay, is this your first year in the park?
First year.
Sweet. I'm going to give you a couple of things to sign. You've already, you're going to hang on to because you're going to need it.
All right. Non-CDL.
Interpretive driver.
Interpretive driver.
Yep. Where are you coming from?
Coming from Arizona, but I was just there for the winter. But yeah.
Well, winter's
It's
still
not
here.
a winter.
It's still here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it's Nicholas, Villalobos.
That's me.
Like I said, you're here at 1010 and you're a driver, and you are 21 years of age or older, right?
Yes, sir.
A legal age to drink alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready? I'm going to count you down to a photo. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, capture.
Did I blink?
You did not.
Wow, that's a surprise. They just dropped us off in this little complex and about to go get uniforms now. Yeah, there we go.
Had to make a new connector at the other end into Mammoth because where the stagecoach road came down was right behind.
Oh, look at the bison. Wow. My first bison jam, not as bad as like other bison jams, right?
Oh, no, I've been in ones that take an hour to get through.
All right, gotta get my DFT physical.
Well, I probably bring my truck around. There's nothing to stop us. So we said, well, okay, we'll tentatively plan on that too. And they kind of see.
Ladies first, welcome. Those are the guys in short shorts. Having said that, all of these roles have so even if you're not here year-round.
All right, finally got all my stuff. Oh my God, it's like a winter wonderland. All right, well, they gave me my key. They gave me a roommate, and I said I wanted someone who was clean, quiet, respectful, not a snorer. And they said they put me with a 52-year-old guy. I hope he's cool. We'll see. That's the one thing with seasonal jobs, you just never know who you're gonna get, what your experience is gonna be. Sometimes there's horror stories. So I've had good luck with my past 2 seasonal jobs with roommates. So let's hope I'm lucky again. But yeah, I'll give you the tour too. All right, here it is. Okay. All right. Up in there,
I'm
yeah.
gonna move you to Larkspur. That's this building here, 109.
Okay. All right. You guys, it's just one of those things in seasonal work. I had to go to the housing office and basically ask for a new room. The lady said, if there is any problems, just come back to me, let me know, and I'll try to find you a new room. We'll figure it out. I got into that room and it smelled like coffee and cigarettes, and it was just not the vibe, and I didn't want a smoker in my room. And so I took the shovel straight back. The second I walked in, she's like, it's not the vibe. I was like, no. So she put me in another building, and I'm about to grab my stuff real quick. If I see the roommate there, it might be a bit awkward, but whatever. But yeah, thank God. So you just gotta ask. If you never ask, you'll never receive like what you actually deserve. And thankfully I'm gonna be in a room by myself. And I wanted someone who was sober, so I'll have a room by myself until they find a sober roommate to move in with me. So thank God. Calling it a night already, even though it's still dumping out. It's been so exhausting today, but glad I'm finally somewhere that feels grounding for once. So yeah, see you guys.